Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of November 2021. In this video, we'll be checking out your love energies only today. So for those people who are here not to see the love energies, sorry, this video is not for you today. I'm just checking the love energies for my Scorpios, okay? So this is a very situation based reading, okay? So if the situation matches with you, only then watch the video, otherwise just continue watching it, because this is only for those who exactly matches the same situation, and the guidance is only for them as well, okay? So let's see what is there for my Scorpios and their person. So guide me for the Scorpio person's energy first, how they are feeling towards Scorpios, what they are trying to tell but they can't tell, something they want to share with my Scorpios, any energies for my Scorpios person towards Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Page of Cups, Justice, and Two of Cups. So they feel towards you that you are their soulmate. They feel that you are the one they were waiting for whole of their lives. They really plan to give you gifts. They love to talk to you. They love to enjoy time with you, cute romantic moments with you. Although this is something which they feel that, you know, somewhere because of some kind of a separation or some kind of a fight which you both have, and all of a sudden you might break up, sometimes, you know. So this is something which they feel like we have karmic imbalances as well. This is what they feel towards you, although they feel that you are their soulmate, okay? So whatever, and they really feel that they might have done really good in their past, so that is why you are there with them. We'll check more energies for your persons. Let me check your energies towards them. Okay, so you have the Four of Swords, the Empress, and Seven of Pentacles. It feels like you really need some time in solitude. You really need some time to rest, heal from some past situations. You might have bad past in your life. So although you really feel that they are somebody who you also care about, and they care about you a lot, you are patient from your end. They are the ones who are actually trying to show the love and respect which you deserve. They are the ones who is showing the love and respect which you deserve, okay? But you, at the same time, you are not showing that much of love and that much of actions towards them, because you feel that you need to be left alone, or you need to be healed from a situation of the past. So this is the reason you are not exactly behaving the same like they are, although from inside you also feel so much of positivity and so much of, you know, spark inside you for them. But you are taking things slow. You are taking things really, really slow. Okay, tell me more about the coming future in the month of November energies. Okay, so we have the Page of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and Five of Cups. So definitely this is not a time for both of you to take this relationship to the next level, because there's a lot of healing to be done from your end, and they really want to live with you. But at this time, I don't feel that you need it. In fact, you don't want that thing at this moment. You really need to take it slow. You are not ready for commitment. You have commitment issues, and you are not ready to give any commitment to anyone at this time. You are putting this relationship into a re-evaluation zone, where you are trying to re-evaluate this relationship with them, and you feel stuck at this time, because you feel that you were hurt before, and you might get disappointed again in the love relationship, because you have seen a lot of hurt in the past, Scorpios, and it was really hard for you to forget all those things which people have done to you. So you are really not in that position of taking things or taking people in your life with that love of acceptance You know what I mean? I really mean that you are not ready for this thing, because you need to heal first and then move forward with whosoever comes in your life. They are really they really think that you are the one for them. Although if you will tell them that this is not the time, I cannot take a decision right now, they will actually respect that decision, and they will give you time whatever you need. Okay, so do not think that they might go away, they might leave if you will not take a decision at this time. Whatever is needed, what exactly is needed is your time and your space at this time, not what they think. Okay, if they are meant to be yours, they will be yours forever. They will wait for you. Tell me more about Scorpio and their person. You know, see, if you will go on with this person, you might, the Tower energy is coming, so if you will go on with this person, you might start to feel that whether I have taken the right decision or not. Deep down inside you will see that, oh my god, something is not right, I feel that this relationship is not worth it, and you will start experiencing bad thoughts. So for you, this is not the time for any decision to be made. The Hermit energy for you, so this is the time to just be alone, to just go away from all the toxicity which you had in the past, not with this person, but yes, with somebody. You know, this is not a healthy position for you, healthy situation for you, Scorpios. So do not surround yourself with the toxicity or with the feeling of love that you might leave this love. No, they are not going to leave you. This is just a test for you, okay, from the universe. Knight of Wands, see, so they are attracted towards you, they will be attracted towards you because they want you so badly, Scorpios. You have a spark, you have that shine, which they are getting attracted towards. See, Judgment energy, they are manifesting you, they have taken a decision. You have to take a decision, but this is not the time to take a decision. You just need to, Temperance energy, you really need to find balance in your path, in your life. Then you can take decisions for other person's life as well. Okay, so in regards to this reading, or if you want, other than that, if you want a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. You can DM me over there, the link is given in the description box below. So do let me know what if you want any reading. And that is all from my side for today. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.